show up or what? Hello, my dear friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Show up or what? Making promises is so easy, but keeping them, in fact, shows who you truly are. You know what I mean? So, what do you want to do? Always show up or what? I mean, think before you speak. You made a lunch, for example. I want to tell you about these things because it's so important. You made a lunch date with someone and you cancelled at the last second. Why? If you do these things and repeat them regularly, well, no one can ever trust you. You become known as the person who doesn't keep her or his word. No one will do business with you. No one will partner with you. No one will be your friend. You don't seem like, a grown-up or genuine person. It's like, you know nothing about life, you know? Just like all things you claim to do but don't do. So, do you understand what I'm saying? It is wrong pattern that shapes your character. You can't even be with useful and special people. You can't learn anything at all. You can't have any connection with intelligent people. Don't do these things. Don't say what you can't do. That's why I said, think before speak. Okay? Dear unique, if you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel. And always remember, there's only one you. No one can take your place, and also, you cannot take someone else's place. Okay? I love you.